In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a manual portfolio in Koyfin. First, open Koyfin and head to the portfolio area on the left-hand navigation. Depending on your setup, you'll see either My Portfolio for your own account or Client Portfolios if you're managing portfolios for others. This is your central hub for creating and tracking positions, performance, and cash. Next, start a new portfolio. Look for the Create a Portfolio button or a plus Add New option. Both lead to the same setup screen. This is where you'll define the core settings that keep your data consistent. Begin by choosing the portfolio currency, such as USD or EUR. This sets the reporting currency for performance, valuations, and P&L, so pick the currency you use to measure results. If your holdings span multiple markets, Koyfin will translate values into this base currency for a unified view. Now enter your cash position. This represents uninvested cash or settled cash in the account. It's important to include it because cash contributes to your total portfolio value and impacts returns over time. If you're fully invested, you can set it to 0. Otherwise, enter the cash balance you have available. With the basics in place, add your holdings manually. Start by entering the ticker symbol, like AAPL or TSLA. Make sure you select the correct listing that matches the exchange you actually hold, especially if a company trades in multiple markets. Then input the quantity of shares you currently own. After that, enter the average cost per share. This is your cost basis and drives accurate unrealized P&L. If you bought in multiple transactions and you know the weighted average, use that figure here. You'll also see a field for the purchase date. This is optional but highly recommended, as it aligns your performance and P&L timeline with when you actually entered the position. If you purchase the same security in separate transactions or you're tracking different entry points, click plus Add Lot. A lot represents a distinct purchase with its own quantity, cost, and date. Using lots helps you see how different entries contribute to your overall gain or loss and keeps your cost basis precise. You can also use plus Add Lot to add additional securities, repeating the same fields for each one. When everything looks correct, click Create Portfolio to save. Koyfin will compile your cash and positions, calculate values in your selected currency, and display your portfolio for ongoing tracking. If you spot an error later, you can return and edit positions or lots without starting over. That's it. Your manual portfolio is set up and ready to monitor.